Hi guys, welcome to our channel. In this video, we are going to see structure of a chartered accountancy course. If you are planning to become a CA, stick around us. We break down the fees, paper patterns, passing criteria and more for each level of the course. Before we enter into our video, please subscribe our channel. The CA course is divided into three levels, foundation, intermediate and final. Let's start with the foundation level. The foundation level is the entry point for students who have completed their higher secondary education. The total fee for the foundation level is rupees 10,900 for Indian students and $1,065 for foreign students, covering registration, journal subscription, and the exam form fees. Then the foundation course includes four papers: paper 1 accounting, paper 2 business laws, paper 3 quantitative aptitude, paper 4 business economics. Accounting and business laws are subjective, while quantitative aptitude and business economics are objective. To pass the foundation level, you must score at least 40% in each paper and a minimum aggregate of 50%. Let's assume you scored exactly 40 in each paper. If you score 40 in each of the four papers, your total would be 160. However, even though you have passed each individual paper, there's another crucial requirement. You must also achieve at least 50% in total aggregate marks to pass. For four papers, this means you need at least 200 marks in total. Since 50% of the total marks for four papers is 200, scoring just 40 in each paper, which total 160, would not meet the passing criteria. Next up with the intermediate level, which is split into two groups. So for both groups, the fees is rupees 20,700 for Indian students and $1,500 for foreign students. For a single group, it's rupees 13,000. For foreign students, $925. Um, the paper group 1 includes paper 1 advanced accounting, paper 2 corporate and other laws, paper 3 taxation, group 2 paper 4 cost and management accounting, paper 5 auditing and ethics, paper 6 financial management and strategic management. The intermediate exam also requires a minimum of 40% in each paper and 50% in both groups. For example, you need 150 out of the 300 marks in each paper to pass. Here's an example to clarify it. If you score 40 in each paper in group 1 papers totaling 120, you would fail. But if you score 50, 60 and 70 in group 2 papers totaling 180, in aggregate of those both groups 300, so you pass. Finally, we have the CA final level. Um, the fee for both groups is rupees 25,300 for Indian students and $1,650 for foreign students. For a single group, it's rupees 23,800. For foreign students, $1,650. Okay. Paper group 1. Paper 1 includes financial reporting, paper 2 advanced financial management, paper 3 advanced accounting and professional ethics. Group 2 includes paper 4 the direct tax laws and in international taxation, paper 5 indirect tax laws, paper 6 integrated business solutions. Then for the CA final level, passing also requires at least 40% in each paper and 50% aggregate across both groups. Similar to intermediate, if you score 40, 40 and 40 in each paper, each totaling 120, you would fail. But scoring 50, 60 and 70 in group 2 papers totaling 180 would mean you pass. Okay. Okay, let's talk about validity. Each level has a validity period. Foundation is valid for 3 years, intermediate for 5 years and final for 5 years as well, with an option to revalidate once for each level. And that's the complete breakdown of the CA course structure. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe our channel. Let us know in the comments if you have any questions or if there's anything else you had like to know about the CA journey. Okay guys, let's see in another video. Until then, bye.